Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious fruit salad shake. First, select your favorite fresh fruits, aiming for a good mix of flavors and textures. Next, gather your liquid base, milk, yogurt, and a touch of honey for sweetness. Don't forget some ice to ensure your shake is perfectly cold and invigorating. This simple preparation sets the stage for a fantastic treat. Now, let's get those fruits ready. Start by giving all your chosen fruits a good wash to remove any dirt or residue. For fruits with skins, like bananas or mangoes, peel them completely. Then, chop everything into small, uniform pieces. This makes blending much easier and ensures a smooth, consistent texture in your final shake. Aim for about 1-inch cubes. Time to bring it all together. Carefully transfer your chopped fruits, milk, yogurt, and honey into your blender. Secure the lid and blend on high until the mixture is wonderfully smooth and creamy. Once that's done, toss in your ice cubes. Blend again for about 30 seconds to ensure the ice is fully crushed and your shake is perfectly chilled and thick. Your refreshing fruit salad shake is now ready. Pour it into your favorite tall glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a fresh fruit slice or a small sprig of mint. This not only looks appealing, but also adds a lovely aroma. Enjoy your homemade shake right away to savor its vibrant flavors and cool, creamy texture. It's a perfect treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.